as far as organ transplant is concerned, there is an inquiry that is going on, because every day I get a message from the media, what has happened, inquiry report. There is no inquiry will happen. Inquiry, like I said, is for suggestions, because I have told Dr. Pradeep Naik is that it is his responsibility to see, along with our team of doctors and our additional secretary, that SOTO, we are the 7th hospital approved for SOTO in the country. There are so many states, but Goa Medical College is the only 7th hospital in the country that is recognized by SOTO. And his responsibility, I have given him 30 days to see that we comply. It is not easy, but whatever facilities need to be, whatever approvals needed from the government, so that Goa Medical College can become the sole organ transplant facility in the state of Goa. Goa Medical College is already recognized, but when harvesting takes place, it has to be done only in a recognized institute. No secretary, no officer has the power to give any other hospital permission to do any kind of organ harvesting when they are not recognized by the government of Goa. So what was done was not as per law. That inquiry report will come to us. Once the inquiry report comes to me, I will take appropriate action and fix responsibility of what is to be done. And next, I as a minister, as long as I am health minister of the state of Goa, Goa Medical College will be the only institution where organ transplant. I am rejecting the file of Manipal Hospital today and sending the file back down. No hospital in Goa will be recognized for organ transplant, irrespective of how much pressure they put on me. It is only Goa Medical College. If I don't take such aggressive stance, Goa Medical College will not be able to progress. In interest of the state, interest of various rackets of organ transplant that we have read about and heard about, Goa Medical College will be the only recognized institute in Goa for organ transplant. I want to reiterate, no other hospital in the state of Goa will be given permission. All applications whichever are in front of me stand rejected. And also Secretary Health had no power to give unilaterally permission to Manipal Hospital to undertake an organ transplant. This is absolutely illegal. Even the Secretary's role will be investigated by myself and the committee. And this has to be done. Bureaucracy also should remember that they should fall within the lines of their operational aspects. They cannot cross or break rules that are available, and they cannot go beyond barriers that are available. There is a committee, and the rule is like this, that in case there is one recognized institute, then the patient has to be shifted on the ventilator to the recognized institute for organ transplant. Whatever happened has happened illegally, and I am waiting for the committee to give me a report to fix responsibility on who was responsible. By one phone call, nobody can do organ transplant. This is an illegal act, and this act has to be looked at seriously. And in view of this illegal act, and in anticipation of what is going to come out from the committee, I am not aware because the committee is independent, they are investigating. I will not give any hospital. Manipal's application stands rejected. What is the rule? What is the rule is a rule. That's it. And anybody can say anything on, there are a lot of people who try to overshoot their thing and do things. It's not possible. When Goa Medical College is only the recognized, then that body should have been brought to Goa Medical College, and in Goa Medical College, that same global could have done and done the harvesting. That is how the rule is. The rule has been cut short and short-circuited. And hence I thought, in view of all these wait periods, somebody saying when I am going to give, I am cancelling, and Manipal's application stands rejected. They will never get permission as long as I am health minister.
But as per Roto, they say like they can give permission.
Whatever Roto or Photo, all these, I am not concerned about them. I am concerned about what is in front of me, what are the rule regulations. The rules very clearly say that a body needs for organ harvesting, anybody, it's a very noble act of that family. A family as it is under so much of shock after they lose a member. That is a different noble act, what they have done. But global could have come, the body could have been shifted in here. Manipal could not have done it. And what they have done and what secretary permission has given is absolutely illegal, and that needs to be checked. How did he give permission unilaterally without having a meeting of the committee? And as a result of which, I have taken a decision, and I am going to stand by my decision, that I will not be giving permission to any other hospital in the state of Goa other than Goa Medical College to do organ transplant. All Manipal's applications will be rejected and sent down. As it is, the manner in which they got permission is under cloud, because the minutes were typed in Manipal Hospital itself. That is not the way I function. I am not a purchasable commodity. I am here for the people of Goa, and what is in the interest of Goans, I will do. What is the interest of the state, I will do. And like I said today, my association with KLE is in the interest of Goan people. I stand by that decision. Every decision I have taken, I have stood by. Once this committee gives, Additional Secretary Health Committee gives the report, responsibility from top to down will be fixed. And same time I told doctor Dean, in front of all of you, I am saying, Dean, Goa Medical College will be the nodal officer to see that we, along with Dr. Madhu Prabhudesai and others, to see that we comply with what is required as far as SOTO, completion of this thing for SOTO is required. Because very important, tomorrow if another issue comes with it, then we will not be able to use the organs. And why should we lose out to other states? Why should we not save the lives of a Goan? Why should we not get one kidney by right? So we have got a wait list of 10. We have done 16 kidney transplants. 2 have recently been done successfully. You mean to say Goa Medical College is less efficient? We could have also been, there are a lot of people in touch with me. Aster Medical is in touch with me. Global was in touch with me. They have come and given us presentation that we are ready to do organ transplants in Goa Medical College or organ harvesting in Goa Medical College. We are also, I have told the Goa Medical College, I have moved a note that they should also have a team ready once all this SOTO and all this there. But even for organ harvesting, we should be ready from all angles. But all by following due procedure. And it is not easy. Sometimes, it is very difficult when press asks, it's very difficult to make statements. Because we have to understand the act.